Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial: how to send Litecoin from your Phantom wallet to Binance in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step guide will make the process smooth and hassle-free. Why bother? Well, transferring assets like Litecoin helps you manage your portfolio better, especially with the evolving crypto landscape in 2025. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the Phantom Wallet app installed on your device and that it's updated to the latest version for 2025 compatibility. You'll also need some Litecoin in your wallet and a verified Binance account ready to go. Double check that your Binance account has two-factor authentication enabled to keep your funds secure. It's a must in today's crypto world. Step 1. Open your Phantom wallet and navigate to the Litecoin section. Look for the Send button. That's your starting point. Before you proceed, grab your Binance deposit address. Head over to Binance, log in, go to the wallet section, select Litecoin, and copy the deposit address. Pro tip: always verify the network. Litecoin uses its own network, so ensure it's set correctly to avoid any lost funds. Now, back in Phantom Wallet, paste that Binance address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Litecoin you want to send, but remember to leave a little extra for network fees, which might be dynamic in 2025. Review the transaction details carefully, check the address and amount one last time. Hit Confirm, and wait for the transaction to process. This could take a few minutes, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, head back to Binance and check your wallet to confirm the Litecoin has arrived. If everything looks good, you're all set. And there you have it. Sending Litecoin from Phantom to Binance is straightforward when you follow these steps. Always stay cautious with your private keys and transactions. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.